There are a lot of ways to tell whether the trade ends, and 3 pushes is one of them. Finding whether the trend ends is very important because if you're not in a position, you can tell whether you want to trade. If you're in a position, you want to tell whether you want to exit and when, to maximize your profit. How to use the 3 pushes? Basically, there's a market trend, and then when the market goes down by the first time here, pulls back, the second time, and then the third time, you can identify the 3 pushes here. And then the 3 pushes are in the same level here. That means the downside pressure has been reduced greatly. So these 3 pushes means there's a higher probability the market will stop going down and then it could go up, which means this is the possible trend end. It's very important to see this word, possible trend end. It's not absolute. So when the market go to horizontally trading range for a while, it is possible that the market will break out to either way, either up or down in this case. In this case, the market developed into a trading range later on. So there's no trend anymore. So the reason that you want to tell whether the trend ends is very important because, for example, if you enter here, this is the breakout leg down, pull back, and then signal bar, you enter here. And then you want the market to go down even further. However, when you see the 3 pushes, you should think about exit your position. Otherwise, take a look at here. The market goes back too far with 4 consecutive bull bars, and then these 3 bars are very big trend bars. So in that point, it could develop into a reversal uptrend. So at this point, you can see the high here is almost the same as your entry point. That means if you exit here, you're gonna get only break even, and then you waste time to do the trading and wait for so long. Basically, you don't want the market to go back so far so you don't make any profit. So instead, a good way is when you see these 3 pushes here, you can put your stop at the top of the pullback here. So at least you can have some profit.